Hello friends, I wanted to show everybody how our indoor cycling program is going to be working for the fall. And to do this, I wanted to show you training peaks first and where your programs are going to be and how they then launch into Zwift and they are there when you wake up in the morning. So first of all, you'll probably start to recognize some of the programs that we did in our spinning classes in the past. So here you'll see a zone 2 class with watts and a few 6-minute climbs and Tabatas. So it's all the kind of stuff that you saw in your spinning classes, but now it's specifically programmed for you. You'll see also that we're going to start with an FTP test. So the FTP test is available in Zwift. You choose that one, and it's the hour and 13-minute FTP test. So we're all going to do that together in our first class because it's really important that you have your zones established right at the beginning. So you can see here when I go into my training zones, I've got all of my training zones in Training Peaks. And once you've got your power test done, your FTP test done, I'm then going to put your power in here, and then you'll be able to see all your training zones. But more than that, it'll all be included into your Zwift. So you'll be able to launch that anytime and see where your training zones are. And Zwift will know what your training zones are based on the fact that I've plugged them into your program in Training Peaks. So then when you go into your workout in the morning, you'll find this lovely workout to do, and you'll see that I've programmed it so that you know that you're going to do a 5-minute warm-up at 50 to 60% of your FTP. Then we have an active phase, and then we're doing 40 seconds hard, 20 seconds easy, etc., etc. So this has all been programmed by us already, and it'll all be on your Zwift when you wake up in the morning. So it's specific to your training zones, and this is what I really love about it, as opposed to in spinning, we can add a little and take a little off, but this is the real McCoy. This is really your specific training zones and everything that you need there. So basically when you get up, you click on Zwift, you'll see in Zwift Training Peaks programs, and your specific program will be there in the morning. So you'll click on it on Zwift and then start, and off you go. So you have the option to do the program with the club on our Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday classes, or you can do it on your own anytime that day. These aren't movable, so it gives you a little bit of accountability to make sure you get that workout done on the day that it's programmed in there. So all of those classes will be programmed for you for the whole fall. You have the option to do it, like I said, any other time that day, or you can do it with us in the class. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me or Brenda, and I'd be happy to explain it more. Looking forward to riding with you guys virtually. We're going to all be on Discord so we can chat. I'll be leading the class and hopefully connecting to some great tunes with you guys. Hope to see you soon. Take care.